Top 5 Proven Passive Income Ideas for Beginners.
Looking to earn money while you sleep? Passive income can help build wealth with less daily effort. In this video, discover 5 easy and reliable passive income ideas that anyone can start, even with little experience or upfront investment.
1. High-interest savings accounts.
High-interest savings accounts offer a safe way to earn passive income. By depositing your money into one of these accounts, you'll earn interest with zero effort. Unlike traditional savings, these online banks often provide better rates. This is a great choice for beginners, since there's little risk and you can withdraw your money at any time.
2. Dividend-Paying Stocks.
Investing in dividend-paying stocks means you receive regular payments from companies just for owning their shares. Many large, stable companies offer dividends, making this a trustworthy way to grow your wealth over time. Beginners can easily start with small amounts through brokerage apps, and profits may increase as those companies grow.
3. Real estate crowdfunding.
Real estate crowdfunding lets you pool your money with others to invest in property projects without needing to buy an entire building yourself. Platforms make it simple to get started, even with small sums. Over time, you could earn returns from rental income or property appreciation, all managed by professionals.
4. Creating digital products.
Selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables can generate continuous income. Once you create and upload your product on popular marketplaces, customers can purchase it around the clock. This method requires some upfront effort, but after launch, your digital product can earn money with little additional work.
5. Affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services online. If someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. No need to handle inventory or shipping. Many beginners start by sharing links on blogs or social media. With the right content, affiliate commissions can become a dependable passive income source.
Getting started with passive income.
Choose an idea that matches your resources and interests. Remember, while passive income can be powerful, it often takes some initial effort or investment. Stay consistent, keep learning, and watch your income grow even as a complete beginner.